Every few Monday nights, a Rockford Midtown storefront is transformed into a bike repair shop.
The Mechanics, a group of local girls with the help of local police. We're highlighting the Rollin' Strong program in this week's Behind the Badge. Several girls are hard at work getting these broken bikes ready for the road again. From learning what the basic tools are to assembling and fixing, these girls are not only building bikes, but relationships with local officers. The United Way says 40% of the city's urban youth don't trust police, and this program is trying to fix that.
And we just try to work with kids and develop a sense of accomplishment in them. We interact with them as a police officer to show, hey, we're just human beings just like you. We're like your parents, and we just care about you.
At the end of the program, each girl will get to keep a bike they fixed.